Butter, a staple in kitchens around the world, begins its life far from the supermarket shelf. This golden delight, known for its rich flavor and creamy texture, has a fascinating journey that starts long before it reaches our tables. Its journey starts with the humble dairy cow, grazing in lush green pastures or confined within the structured environment of industrial farms. These cows are the unsung heroes, providing the essential raw material for butter. From these farms, a constant flow of fresh milk makes its way to massive processing plants. The milk is collected with care, ensuring it retains its quality and freshness during transportation. This is the first crucial step in the butter-making process. At the processing plants, the milk undergoes a remarkable transformation. It is churned and shaped into the familiar yellow blocks we spread on our bread. This process involves separating the cream from the milk, then churning it until it solidifies into butter. The scale of this operation is staggering. These factories operate around the clock, producing vast quantities of butter to meet global demand. The efficiency and precision of these production lines are a testament to modern industrial capabilities. Billions of tons of butter are produced every year, a testament to our global appetite for this rich, creamy product. The sheer volume of production highlights the importance of butter in our daily lives and culinary traditions. The transformation from liquid milk to solid butter is a marvel of industrial efficiency, a carefully choreographed dance of technology and tradition. Each step, from churning to packaging, is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality product. This is the story of that transformation, a journey inside the world's biggest butter factories. It is a tale of innovation, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of perfection, all to bring a simple yet beloved product to our tables. Modern butter production relies on a constant, voluminous supply of milk. This milk is sourced from large-scale industrial dairy farms that operate around the clock to meet the ever-growing demand. The scale of these operations is staggering, with thousands of cows producing millions of gallons of milk each year. Gone are the days of small family farms with a handful of cows. These quaint, pastoral scenes have been replaced by vast, mechanized operations. The shift from small-scale to industrial farming has been driven by the need for efficiency and the ability to produce large quantities of milk at a lower cost. Today, vast industrial dairy operations dominate the landscape. These farms span hundreds of acres and house thousands of cows, all managed with precision and technology. The sheer size and scale of these operations are a testament to the industrialization of dairy farming. Thousands of cows, often confined to enormous barns, are milked multiple times a day. Automated milking machines ensure that the process is efficient and consistent, allowing for the collection of large volumes of milk with minimal human intervention. These concentrated animal feeding operations, or CAFOs, prioritize efficiency above all else. The focus is on maximizing milk production while minimizing costs, often at the expense of the animal's well-being. The cows themselves are bred for maximum milk production. Selective breeding and genetic modification have created high-yield dairy cows that can produce significantly more milk than their ancestors. Their diets, carefully calibrated and often supplemented with hormones, are designed to maximize output. Nutritionists and veterinarians work together to create feed that meets the cow's nutritional needs while promoting high milk yields. This industrial approach raises ethical questions about animal welfare and environmental sustainability. Critics argue that the conditions in which these cows are kept are inhumane, and that the environmental impact of such large-scale operations is detrimental to the planet. Yet, it's the reality of a food system geared towards producing vast quantities of cheap food. The industrial dairy farming model has made dairy products more accessible and affordable for consumers, but it comes with significant trade-offs that society must grapple with. Once collected, the raw milk begins its journey to the processing plant. Specialized tanker trucks resembling giant thermoses on wheels transport thousands of gallons at a time. Temperature control is crucial during this stage. Milk is a highly perishable product, and any fluctuation in temperature can spoil the entire batch. The trucks arrive at the factory and connect to a network of pipes, pumping the milk into massive storage tanks. These gleaming stainless steel vessels, often holding tens of thousands of gallons, resemble something out of a science fiction film. Here, the milk awaits the next stage of its transformation. Stepping inside a modern butter factory is an overwhelming sensory experience. The air hums with the constant thrum of machinery. The scent of fresh milk mingles with the tang of buttermilk, a byproduct of the butter-making process. This is a world of stainless steel, conveyor belts, and automated precision. The milk, carefully tested and pasteurized, begins its journey through a labyrinthine network of pipes and tanks. It's heated, cooled, and separated with astonishing speed and precision. Centrifugal force, harnessed by massive spinning drums, separates the heavier cream from the lighter skim milk. This cream, the essential ingredient in butter, is then ready for churning. The churning process, once a laborious manual task, is now fully automated. Giant stainless steel churns resembling rotating cement mixers agitate the cream at high speeds. This agitation forces the fat molecules to clump together, separating from the liquid buttermilk. The result is a thick yellow mass of butter fat. The butter is then washed and kneaded to remove excess buttermilk, leaving behind a smooth, consistent texture. Salt, a crucial ingredient for both flavor and preservation, is added at this stage. Finally, the butter is pumped through extruders, shaping it into the familiar blocks, sticks, or tubs destined for supermarket shelves. Modern butter production relies heavily on automation and robotics. Conveyor belts whisk the freshly churned butter through various stages of packaging. Machines precisely cut and wrap each block, ensuring uniformity and hygiene. Industrial robots, their metallic arms moving with balletic grace, stack the finished product onto pallets, ready for distribution. This embrace of technology allows for incredible efficiency and consistency. Millions of pounds of butter can be processed and packaged in a single day, all while maintaining strict quality control standards. The human touch, once essential to the butter-making process, is now largely relegated to overseeing the machines and ensuring the smooth operation of this industrial ballet. Despite the massive scale of production, quality control remains paramount. Throughout the entire process, from the arrival of raw milk to the final packaged product, samples are constantly tested. Technicians, clad in white coats and hairnets, analyze the milk for fat content, bacterial count, and other crucial factors. Even minor deviations from the established standards can result in an entire batch being rejected. This rigorous approach ensures that the butter reaching consumers meets the highest standards of flavor, freshness, and safety. It's a testament to the sophistication of modern food processing techniques. The journey of butter from farm to factory is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of efficiency. From the moment the milk leaves the dairy farm, it embarks on a remarkable transformation. This journey is not just about turning milk into butter, it's about the intricate dance of technology and tradition, working hand in hand to create a product that has been cherished for generations. The sheer scale of production is awe-inspiring, a symphony of stainless steel, churning motors, and automated precision. Each piece of machinery is meticulously designed to ensure that every batch of butter meets the highest standards of quality. The factory floor is a hive of activity, with machines working in perfect harmony to churn out thousands of pounds of butter each day. Yet, amidst this industrial marvel, it's easy to forget the humble origins of this beloved food. Butter, in its essence, is a simple product made from cream. The process of churning cream into butter has been practiced for centuries, long before the advent of modern machinery. It's a reminder that even the most advanced technologies are built upon the foundations of age-old traditions. The image of a cow grazing peacefully in a pasture seems a world away from the sterile confines of a factory floor. This serene scene is where the journey truly begins. The quality of the butter is intrinsically linked to the quality of the milk, which in turn depends on the well-being of the cows. Happy, healthy cows produce the best milk, and this is a crucial aspect that cannot be overlooked. This disconnect raises important questions about the future of our food system. As we continue to scale up production to meet the demands of a growing population, we must also consider the impact on the environment, animal welfare, and the preservation of traditional farming practices. The challenge lies in finding a balance between efficiency and sustainability. Can we continue to produce food on such a massive scale while addressing concerns about animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and the loss of traditional farming practices? The answer is not straightforward. It requires a multifaceted approach that incorporates innovative technologies, sustainable practices, and a commitment to ethical standards. By doing so, we can ensure that the food we produce is not only abundant but also responsible and respectful of our planet and its inhabitants. The answer, like the journey of butter itself, is complex and multifaceted. It involves a delicate balance of tradition and innovation, efficiency and sustainability, quantity and quality. As we reflect on the scale and quality of our food production systems, we must strive to create a future where these elements coexist harmoniously, ensuring that the journey from farm to factory remains a testament to human ingenuity and care.